Welcome back to another episode of whatever this is. So here's what I'm putting in. A couple of these 18 watt nightlight recessed lights. I'm gonna cut some holes in the bumper. Okay, so this one should be pretty straightforward. They're such a low amperage, I'm just gonna tie both of them into the reverse lights. Measure 15 times, cut once. Alright, time to cut. Safety first. Glasses and gloves. But I am in shorts, so 2 out of 3. I'm gonna protect my legs now. Alright. See if it fits. Yep. Just a little bit more. So I was making entirely too much noise for the neighborhood, so I backed it into the garage and shut the garage door, but took a little grinding down, but we got it. So there's the first one. We'll do a little drilling. So these all fit in there. Alright, yay. One down, one to go. Alright, just a test hookup of the first one. Just spliced right into the reverse lights there. I will do a better tape up job than that. I actually have some shrink wrap ones coming today from the old Amazon truck. How's it going?
Oh.
I can take those. Thank you very much. Thanks, Amazon. Okay, so that was not too bad. Just Alright, so it's getting dark. Well, it is dark. And those are some bright lights. Kind of hard to see, but that works. Thanks for watching.